Hi guys, hello and welcome back to another video by Makeup by Sadie, and this is Sadie here. So if you are wondering how I created this look, you can go and check it out on my Insta, that is Makeup by Sadie, and don't forget to check it out. So this is the look and I am in love with this. This is a bit inspired by one of my friend, that is Makeup by Iram Bukhari. You can check her Insta out, I will link it in the description below. So टाइटल से आपने पढ़ लिया है कि आज का वीडियो क्या होने वाला है. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल माई गिफ्ट्स विच आई रिसीव फॉर माई बर्थडे. एंड ऑल्सो मैंने इसलिए ही लास्ट व्लॉग में अपने गिफ्ट्स नहीं दिखाए थे बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो. ऑल्सो अ गेट रेडी विथ मी फॉर माई बर्थडे इज गोइंग टू बी अप आफ्टर दिस वीडियो. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ thank you so much everybody, made be my Insta family, made be my YouTube family, made be my personal family. Everybody, thank you so much for all your wishes and all the gifts you all have given me. I'm gonna cherish this birthday for my life. And yeah, so the first thing and the most best gift is by Mehak. She is one of my first subscribers and one of my lovely subscribers, and also a very good friend. So she sent me the best thing that I am gonna remember for my life. So this is the gift and this is what it looks like. This is the, what do we say, this is needlework done here, needlework in the sense this is so this is Makeup by Sadie. And yeah, I love this so much, you can see. And with this she sent me a handwritten note which I want to read. Hey my beautiful makeup artist, first of all a very happy birthday to you, my favorite YouTuber and makeup artist. Thank you so much Mehak. First I want to take a moment and say that you are an amazing soul with such a pure heart, someone with whom I was comfortable from our first meet. Here is a small token of love to you because hopefully by now you must have completed a tiny milestone of 200 subscribers. Yes, and thank you so much everybody for subscribing. I know it wasn't easy for you to achieve that. I am aware about how much you struggle to get each subscriber. Yes, it is true, and I'm still struggling. I don't know how to gain, how to do, what to do. It's been 6 months and I just have 200 subscribers, so it makes me sad, but people like Mehak and stuff keep on motivating me, and I am here today sitting in front of you guys. You are an amazing person and a beautiful self-taught makeup artist Sadie, and no matter who's gonna support you on your journey, you would always have one constant fan in your channel. So there is a little more time left to have that silver button. Here's your award from a fan for your hard work and brilliant content. Thank you so much. Silver button का तो पता नहीं, but this means to me a lot. And award, and I hope you would like this small surprise, and no, this is not your birthday gift, this is your award and an appreciation token to give us more and more videos. Yes, I surely will. After this to pakka, just found a right occasion to give it to you. Stay the way you are always, never change, you are a wonder woman. Oh my god, that means a lot. Love you so much, have an amazing birthday babe, keep smiling. Yes, so that's the note and that's the gift. Oh my god guys, मैंने इसको भी संभाल के रखा है. This has a special place in my heart. So बहुत लंबा हो गया. So moving on to the next gift. So it's this is the Miniso का mirror. This is the mirror, this is what it looks like. So this was also gifted to me by one of my friends, and yeah. So the next gift is this. It's a dress piece. It was gifted to me by my mama. So this is what the dress piece looks like. So the next thing is this. This was gifted to me by my small brother and sister, my cousins. So it's a cover with my photos. So this was also very nice, I really liked it. And the next thing is this. These are faux leather boots, you can see they look so nice and so classy. These were also gifted to me by my sister, my small sister. No, not Laiba, but some other sister. And yeah, so this is also really nice. And so thank you so much Rumana for this, and I loved it. And the next thing is a very pretty, I cannot show you fully, but yeah, So this is what Laiba prepared for my birthday. It's a string which has all my photos which I am thinking of applying as a background, and I feel it will look really nice, so I am gonna do it. And it is really long. She took 3 hours to make this. Oh my god, it's never ending. This is so much. So thank you so much, Laiba. And I would also tell you guys that all my birthday planning was done by Laiba only, which my other sisters were also involved, but pura plan Laiba ka tha. She did it so nicely, and I loved it. So moving on to the next gift. The next gift is this. This is gifted by my big sister, which you must have seen in the vlog. And this is a diary. She printed all my photo shoot photos and attached to them in this, and I am gonna keep this for life. I loved this gift. This was so thoughtful. You can see she's taken all my photos and just printed them and put it up in this. Basically she made a portfolio for me, which I love. So no photos are repeated in this, so I loved this also very much. So the next gift, and my favorite gift, is gifted by my mom, and it is this. It's the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I have been craving this palette since so long. I can't even tell you guys. So this was gifted to me by my mother, and I haven't tried it yet, but I am dying to try it. So yeah, I love this also. I've been craving for this since long, and this was gifted to me by my mother. So the next gift is this. It's a watch, and this was gifted to me by my chachu and chachi. This is what it looks like. So I liked this also, and I've received a lot of gift, guys, I have to say that. And I love how my makeup looks. Brows मैंने थोड़ा mess up कर दिए थे, but it's fine. So the next thing I got as a gift is this. This is also a gift by my friend. This is Nivea ka roll-on, whitening roll-on. And the next thing I got is this. This is also a gift. It's the Davidoff Intense Espresso Intense Coffee, and I have already I will show you. I've already started using it, and it is so nice. It is the perfect coffee. It's so strong and so nice. So yeah, this was also a gift, and I love this. And the next gift is also thoda inappropriate type. So it's this is the Cadbury hot chocolate, and this is a powder, and I have used pretty much. You can see it's a powder. You have to just swirl it in milk, and it makes the perfect hot chocolate. So I loved this also. So yeah, with this I end my video. I got some clothing also as a gift, but I am thinking of sharing a clothing haul, so I'll be showing that clothing in that particular haul. So yeah guys, that is it for today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon, and comment karna mat bhulna. And also guys, shower me with a lot of love and give me the motivation, the responsibility to make videos by subscribing to my channel. And yeah guys, thank you again everybody for all your wishes and for all the gifts you all have given me. Bye.